invite, she has to go to attend another event. She's Assemblywoman from greatest borough of Queens, which is where I live, District 38, I believe, Jenifer Rajkumar. And before I invite you, she's running for city controller, and I want you to support her, vote her, volunteer for her campaign, and we will here make sure that Jenifer, you'll be our next city controller. Please step forward.
Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. Good evening. I am so honored to be here. First of all, I want to thank my great friend Sahir Khan for everything that he does for our community. Let's give him a round of applause for everything he does, bringing us together. Allow me to reintroduce myself. I'm State Assemblywoman Jenifer Rajkumar. We made history when I became the first South Asian woman ever elected to New York State office. But nobody thought I'd be standing here. When I first ran for this seat, everyone said to me, Rajkumari, you're a nice girl, but you got no shot. But we won. And we won by the largest margin of any challenger in this state. And that's because of you. Give yourselves a round of applause. We did it. And nothing can stop a community whose time has come. So what I want to say on this occasion is I have one request, and that is to send all of your children to me so that I can make them powerful also. I'm mentoring Sahir Khan's daughter, who will be the next president of the United States, not the next one, but 5 presidents from now. We're going to see the first Muslim American woman president. I truly believe in the potential of the next generation, and I want to leave a legacy. I want what I have done to make their path easier. And here we are at Breaking Bread Building Bonds. As an elected official, when I'm all around the city, I get to see all the communities in every corner of this city. And everywhere I go, I'm often on the same block. That is New York. That is who we are. And I can truly say that I love every community like my own. And today we will all get to experience that at this wonderful coming together of people from every single culture. I want to tell you that as the first South Asian elected, I have been honored to bring our culture to the table. I introduced the first ever Pakistan Independence Day in Albany. Every single year we pass it unanimously. I introduced Bangladesh Independence Day every single year in honor of the freedom fighters who made the country independent, who continue the fight for freedom in this country. We made Diwali a school holiday in the city of New York. I was proud to lead and win that fight. No one thought it was possible, but we made it possible. And I'm proud as an office to have a constant halal food giveaways to all the Muslim Americans in my district. This is just the beginning for our community. So everyone have a wonderful night and dream big. And thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Jenifer.